Our team here at Paycor Mortgage hopes you'll have as great a week as we will. With the current discount in both real estate prices and interest rates, I'm sure you've heard people say this is a great time to buy real estate. Refinance your home or make a surefire investment. Yet others say more time is needed to resolve the housing crisis. I applaud you for investing a few minutes in the weekly Rate Pulse, where we can dial you into what's being said out there so you can make your own determination. The Rate Pulse this week continues to show the market at all-time lows. Even a gentle recovery in the stock market last week could not move rates back up. However, check the amount of red and green days in this market. The market's undecided, and if rates go up, they go up in a hurry. This week's media frenzy touches on rates being at all-time lows as well. If you can read this article, which can be found at mercurynews.com, you'll see that rates are not generating the activity that the powers that be hoped it would. That said, get your rate now before qualifying or home values make it even more challenging. The second article is from businessweek.com. It focuses on the need to keep rates low for growth. Growth to date that has not happened. Speculation is rates stay low from here. Finally, the game changer this week is found at marketwatch.com. Discussion on the cash-in refinance. It helps clients pay off sooner. Find this article at marketwatch.com. Learn more about paying off sooner at payoffsooner.com. Thanks again for turning into the weekly Rate Pulse. Do us a favor by forwarding this link to a friend that'll benefit from the information within. Someone you know is always considering buying, selling, or refinancing. Introduce them to the loan officer whose name appears on the left-hand side of the screen, and as always, win today. Make it a great week. The team at Paycor, America's Mortgage Choice, hopes you're going to have as great a week as we will. With the current discount in both real estate prices and interest rates, I'm sure you've heard people say this is a great time to buy real estate, refinance your home, or make surefire investments in this market. Others say more time is needed to resolve the housing crisis. I applaud you for investing a few minutes in the weekly Rate Pulse, where we can dial you into what's being said out there so you can make your own determination. This week's market swerve shows that rates are still great, near their all-time highs, but they've moved away from the best levels of the last week. The bottom line is this, folks. Move quickly to get the chance at a great interest rate below 5% fixed. Otherwise, you're likely to see rates back here, and that opportunity will have passed you by. In the media frenzy section this week, we're going to focus on a product that could be a lifesaver in today's market, the reverse mortgage. In a nutshell, the reverse allows homeowners 62 and over to get rid of their monthly mortgage payment, sometimes even get a monthly payment, and stay in their home as long as they would like to. With so many retirement plans foiled by the antics of Wall Street damaging 401ks of the retired, a reverse mortgage could be your answer. Ask your mortgage professional today about a reverse mortgage, how it works, and how it may be able to really free up your retirement options. We've been pounding the table on the surprising change in interest rates over the last couple of weeks. Here's another article that does the same. Don't take our word for it. Check out this article at moneywatch.bnet.com. Again, that's moneywatch.bnet.com. Another reminder to move as quickly as you can, as the system's going to be stressed soon, and who knows how long interest rates will stay this low. This week's game changer is from the New York Times website. Last week we showcased an article on how to analyze if debt was worth having or not, and how to come to that conclusion. In today's economy, debt in all non-mortgage forms is a problem for the long run. This article focuses on the subprime-style loans given to college students, even today. Don't let your future grad be in a hole the size of a mortgage on graduation day. Find this article at newyorktimes.com. Thanks again for turning into the weekly Rate Pulse. Do us a favor. Forward our link to a friend that's going to benefit from the information within. Someone you know is always considering buying or selling. And in this market, I bet $1 you know somebody who's considering refinancing. It may even be yourself. Introduce them or pick up the phone for the loan officer whose name appears on the left-hand side of this screen. And as always, win today. Thanks, and make it a great week from your friends at Paycor, America's Mortgage Choice.